morning. Today we're going to find slope of a line given 2 points. So as you can see, I have a graph and I have 2 points indicated on this line. Okay, the line has a negative slope because it's going down from left to right. So when we find our slope, we should get a negative answer. You can also notice it's kind of like a shallow slope, so the line shouldn't be too high when we find our slope. Probably going to be a fraction. Okay, so we're starting out with the first point, which is -4, 1, and the second point, which is 1, -2. I'm going to call this x1, y1, because it's the first x and first y coordinate. And I'm going to call this x2, y2, because it's our second x coordinate and our second y coordinate. Okay, the reason I need to do that is because I'm going to use this formula. The formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That gives us our rise and our run, and m is just a letter that we use to indicate slope. So this is called the slope formula. Okay, so I'm going to write down the 2 points. I'm going to call this x1, y1, and this one x2, y2. Now, if you were to switch these up, it's fine. You'll still get the same answer, so don't worry about that. So basically all I do is use the formula and I just fill in the information given. So first I start out with y2, which is -2. I'm going to go to y1, which is 1. So 2 minus 1, just substituting into the formula here. And then on the bottom, I'm going to write the x coordinates, which are x2, 1, minus -4. And so what happens is when I substitute the -4, you're going to get a double negative here, so you're going to put a plus sign. Okay. So I'm going to do -2 minus 1, -3. 1 plus 4 is 5. So as I said, our slope is a fraction. It's negative because the line was going down from left to right, so it's -3 over 5, which is a pretty shallow slope. How else can I do that? I can also find the rise and the run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line here, and I'm going to create what's called a slope triangle. Okay. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3. That's called the rise. Same as the answer here. The run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it's a negative slope, so I'm just going to put a negative sign in front. And you can see I get to get the same answer by creating a slope triangle, down 3, across 5, as I did using the slope formula, -3 over 5. Okay, so finding slope given 2 points. Thanks, have a nice day.